Eid Mubarak to all my brothers and sisters. Today we learn about face swap like this. So let's begin. I have these two photos. One is our main photo and another one we will put on top of it. Select lasso tool. Cut off the face. Press Ctrl+J to copy. Hide it. Put it under this layer. Make a copy of background layer. Select layer 1. Here I will fix the face a little bit to get a better result. I think I need to remove those sides to get a better result. To do so, select the area with lasso tool. Press delete on the keyboard to delete it. Select layer 1. After that, go to select, modify, contract, set the value 30, hit OK. Selecting the background copy layer, press Ctrl+X to delete. Hide the background layer to see what's happening inside. Select those two layers. Go to edit, auto blend layer. With default settings, hit OK. It's done. It looks great. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for never miss an update.